Islands, guys. Do you know what? There's the new water sound effect. It's cool. I like the new water sound effect. Let me try putting some water. And let's see if it's, oh my God. I got a run of water. I like the new water sound effect. I like this one. Okay. Oh my God. Come on, I fell. If I'm jumping so high, if I keep having the jump on me, oh my God! What just happened right now? I am literally on space. I'm sleeping. Oh my God. My monster just becomes sleepy. Like sleepy monster. Sleepyhead. I can't say that monster name again. Come on. How did I just got a small jump? This time I will go to that. Come on. There's no more water. There's no more water left. There's no more water left. Come on, how did I just even do that? Okay, my next video is going to be about the silly scratch. I like it. Okay. Please don't let me fall. Yes! Yes, I got pineapple boost. I come to that thing. Okay, let's try to the... Let me try doing that to that thing. No! I missed. I like the new swimming thing. Let me try swim. Okay, let me try doing this. Wait a minute. Where's that thing there? What just even happened? Okay, if you want old Dojo Islands adventures and silly scratch adventures, so bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so we can be proud of you. Bye.